Okay guys, one more time. So for this series of these shapes and logos that we are creating, we're going to do this one as a one more extra for you to be able to have something to hold on to for the week and to hold on to for the day. So this is a simple logo, tom, and I'll give you ideas on how to create this, which is very simple. We're going to finish in just a moment. So now look up again. We're going to start with our text. Click on our text. We're going to type tom, enter tom. Good. So tom, I'll click on it, choose a font that is thick as this. We click on it, choose what, let's choose impact, no, let's choose Franklin Gothic. Okay, good. Or you can choose area black, anyone that suits you. Area black, I love area black. Let's look for it, nice under here, good, nice. Then we'll drag it out, make it big. Now you see the space are too wide apart, so what you're going to do, go to your shape tool, click on your shape tool, left click and drag up. Woo-hoo. My oh my. Okay, now once you've done this, now what you're going to do next, we're going to do what we have to create this our black and white tom shape. So I'm going to go back to our picture now. Clicking on this, I will Control C, which is copy, and Control V, which is paste. So actually looks like nothing happened, but something happened. So clicking on this now, I'll click on this top layer of the tom. I'll put it with yellow. Now for this point of view, we have two tom here, the black and yellow ones. So what you're going to do, what, selecting this yellow now, I'll press my down arrow key. I seen it now, I seen it now. Then I'll go to my what, left, my right, just adjust it. This see now, we have gotten this shape ASAP. You can now change this one back to white if you want. So let's click it back to white, but we're going to put the outline. Right click on this black, we're going to give an outline. Good. Then to get this rectangular shape that is curvy, click on it, drag over the tom. Okay, then click on your shape tool. When you click on your shape tool, go to the curvy part, click on it once, click again, then drag it. Ooh. Then go back to the other one, click on it, then drag it. Ooh. Do you see that now? So guys, very simple tutorial, making you to be able to boost your skills in design and graphic design. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Some other people that love these things you're learning can also learn with you too. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.